All right, in IELTS reading, academic reading, part 1, usually they give you two type of questions. Number 1, true, false, not given. Number 2, sentence completion. And both are type A. So that is why whenever you prepare or whenever you practice academic IELTS reading, I recommend you to try to get 13 by 13 or minimum 10 by 13 in part 1. Because part 1 usually has type A questions. Answers are in a sequence and it's not that difficult, so you should try to get at least 10 correct answers in part 1 and then part 2 and 3, and you can get a reasonable bench score. Now questions 8 to 13, complete the summary below. Now whenever they give you a summary, it depends. Sometimes they make summary out of one paragraph. In that case you will find the answers in one paragraph very smoothly, just one paragraph, and you will find all the answers there, right? I've noticed some summaries, even in one sentence, there are 2 answers, okay? Now, it depends on you. It depends on the examiner and on your luck. Sometimes they make summary of the whole passage. One answer in first paragraph, second answer in the middle, last answer in last paragraph. So it's like that, but it is type A. And sometimes they make a summary of, a summary is in the form of a sentence. Like question number 1 is sentence, which is the summary of the passage. Question number 2 is another summary. Question number 3 is another summary. So in that case, answers will not be in order. But this is a paragraph. So when they give you summary completion in one paragraph, answers are going to be in order. Sometimes they give you 2 summaries. One summary here, one summary there. So for one summary, answers will be in order. But for second summary, location of the paragraph passage, or location in the passage will be different. Anyways, let's do it practically. No more than 2 words. So maximum 2 words and minimum 1 word. Additional evidence for theory of kite lifting. So we are going to see additional evidence, and it is about what? Theory of kite lifting. Egyptians had dash. Now let's go back and we see additional evidence and all that. For additional evidence, okay, already we've read a paragraph for question number 7. Now if you come to second last paragraph, it's written others feel there is more of a case for the theory. Now others feel, it means that is additional evidence. One evidence was given by Clemens and Garib, okay, and now this is additional evidence. So this is the place, or this is the location where you will find your answers. After finding the location, we read the question. Question number 8. Egyptians had dash which could lift large pieces of dash. Now Egyptians had something which could lift large pieces of something. Let's go back. Can you see the word Egyptians? Okay, I'm reading first line of second last paragraph. Please follow me. Others feel there is more of a case for the theory. Harnessing the wind would not have been a problem for accomplished sailors like the Egyptians. And they are known to have, they means Egyptians, they are known to have used wooden pulleys. So answer is wooden pulleys. And now with those wooden pulleys, what is it that they were holding? Question number 8, answer is wooden pulleys. Yeah, which could have been made strong enough to bear the weight of massive block of stones. Now what will be the answer? No, you cannot write massive stone because massive is going with blocks. If you write blocks of stones, how many words? 3. And over there they've written 2 words. So your answer will be wrong. If you write only of stones, or if you write block stones, grammatically wrong. Block stones is not, it doesn't convey anything. So the right answer will be stones. That's it. Is this clear? Oh, bolo to sahi. Shukriya. Jazakallah. All right. Question number 11. Discovery on one pyramid. Sorry, 10. As they knew how to use energy. They knew means Egyptians. As they knew how to use energy of the wind from their skill as. Now, I'm sorry, you have to go back. Their skill as. For skill, they use the word accomplished. First sentence. Others feel there is more of a case for the theory. Harnessing the wind would not have been a problem for accomplished sailors like Egyptians. Now, what is the answer? Sailors. Accomplished and their skills as sailors. Now, this answer is in the previous line. So, this is also possible, but it will be very close to where you are. Answer is in the line before, but this is also possible. Do you see the word sailor after that? No. Okay, but anyways, sailors will be the right answer. Now, the discovery on one pyramid of an object which resembled a dash. Now listen, they discovered an object in one Egyptian pyramid, and that object resembled something. Resembled means looked like. Okay, let's go back. Same paragraph. Good. Now they've used the word in addition. I'm reading fourth line. Please follow me. In addition, there is some physical evidence that the ancient Egyptians were interested in flight. A wooden artifact found. Now that is wooden artifact. It means object. This is not the answer. This is the word for object. Let's go on. On the step pyramid at Saqqara looks uncannily like. Looks like means resembles a modern glider. What will be the answer? Modern glider. Absolutely. All right. Modern gliders suggests they may have experimented with dash. Now with modern glider, they may have experimented with what? Let's read. Okay, we read on after modern glider. Although it dates from several hundred years after the building of the pyramids, its sophistication suggests that Egyptians might have been developing ideas of flight. Might have been developing ideas of flight means they may have experimented with flight. Now try to understand this sentence. May have been experimented with flight, may have experimented, and there they use the word? Yeah, flight. Might have been developing ideas of flight. In addition, over 2000 years ago, kites were used in China. Now the clue word is China 2000 years ago as weapons as well as for sending dash. Haha, you know it already, huh? Okay, मैं गुड्डी उड़ाऊंगा, उसके घर में गुड्डी को गिरा दूंगा, गुड्डी के साथ खत लिखा होगा, huh? Okay, so it's there China, and other ancient civilizations certainly knew about kites as early as 1250 BC. Chinese were using them to deliver. And what is the word for deliver? Send. So this is something you must know. And answer is messages. Good job.